Anyways, it's the third video for this entrepreneurship series. What you will need for this video is a notebook. You also need your nail polish. Don't forget that. And you will need some Sharpies or highlights, whatever you want to use, a pencil or a pen. Okay, so this is only a couple nail polishes that I have. These is the ones that I just did a set on. I'm gonna show y'all. I just did this set. Can y'all see it? I just did those the other day. So that's why I still have them out, because I was like, I'm gonna make a video over this. And I want to, record the process, because I didn't want to do it, then have to, like redo it for YouTube. Like, that's just backtracking. I turn to the first page. I'm gonna get my phone and I'm gonna actually start researching ideas of names. Like for this one, I really want it to be like Barbie or something, like Barbs. I don't really know. I really want it to be something like that, because this color right here is so freaking gorgeous. Like, you can't even really see like the real color. It's like something that you need to see in person, because it's just so gorgeous. Like, oh my Jesus, it's so pretty. But anyway, so I'm finna start looking at colors, just so I can, I really don't know. I'm gonna skip that one. Now what I usually do, I'll type in like shades of blue for this. It just makes, it kind of gives, so the color can still kind of have some of the original, you know what I'm saying? Like, so people usually, most people, some people, because I really don't know like all the shades of blue, like how it's sky blue, blah 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 blah. That's really don't know what I freaking know. But like I was saying, some people know all the shades of blue. Like, I just pulled up this one page, how they have the different shades of blue and like all the names for it and whatnot. So I'm finna just look over those, which I actually found this one name for this that I like. So, and it's called Jordy right here, but I'm gonna add this right here, but I'm gonna add kind of my own like abbreviation to it, you know what I'm saying? Kind of spice it up. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is write, okay, so every, see how I just wrote, y'all see that? Just wrote Jordy right there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write, every nail bottle usually has like its own like serial number on the side, or it has just, unique way to identify. It has a code right here. It's JNP005 neon blue. But what I'm gonna do is write the JNP005, just so if I want to use this color, I can refer back to it. But anyways, the Jordy, that's what I'm gonna name it on my website. That's the name I'm gonna use for the set. And just so I can identify it, I'm gonna use the the J. NP005. And then so I'm actually gonna do this for all my sets. Like, say if I have a set that has mixed colors, like it's 10 different colors, 5, 6, 7, whatever, I'm gonna literally write out the name for that set, whichever one I may use, and then I'm gonna also list the names under that set of all the colors, and then with I guess you can call it the identification code, so that I'll know exactly which one I use for this set. It just makes the process a lot more easier. You don't have to go through every single shade of pink, because I have like 10,000, and try to find out which one you use for that exact set. You could just be able to look in here at this booklet and then go find that color. It makes the process a lot more easier, I promise you. But since I have this one done, I can put that to the side. And this one, I don't know what I want to name this. I don't want to just name it Baby Pink. Oh, I named it Rosewood. That's what I'm going to name it. Rosewood, because that's also a shade of pink. I looked it up earlier. And this one, it has a code right here. So that's what I'm going to put now for it. And I'm going to call this one, I think, Army Green. Because it's like when this color actually comes out, it's the top one. It's actually an Army Green, which I am so in love with it. And it has a code right here. It has one right here at the top. Not every single nail polish has that. That's why for the other ones, I was using the ones on the side. Now this one, this is such a beautiful color. I am so in love with it. So let me try to find one for it. I really don't even know how to pronounce it. It's like M-E-L-O. Milo? I don't know. I just like the way that it's wrote out, so I'm gonna use it. No, well, I don't say it the way it's wrote out. The way it's spelled, rather. They put the code under there. Let's see. Okay, so that was just basically to show y'all the gist of it. But that's just basically how you would do it. And if you have any questions or any concerns, you can either drop a comment. I will help you. Or you can DM me on Instagram at Liyahs Nails. Or you can even email me. My email is in the very bottom of the description. Probably like the last thing. Not the last thing, but almost the last thing in there.